10:30. It's Thursday, 10:30. Okay, I had, my intention was that I would have 3 samples, but now I decided to have only 2. From shit to top shit. You know, I'm going earlier to bed. I'm tired anyway. Hey, dobro jutro. Good morning. It's new day. These sheets are almost dry. Let's check the carbon tissues. And look, this is my dehumidifier. And these are my tissues. And look, they're totally dry. They're totally dry. And this one is not totally dry, but it will be soon. I feel very optimistic. This print will make my day. I know it's a horrible habit that your happiness, it depends on the quality of your prints, but that's exactly my case. Okay, what you have witnessed is, believe it or not, the last print that I've made after a week of testing. The issue was that the recipe that I had didn't yield, and the negatives that I had, the collodion negatives, dense negatives, the highlights were just not yielding. And you know, I got this horrible I never saw such a horrible highlights. You know, it's just like, oh my God, my heart sank. Anyway, I took myself a whole week, and I was doing every single day. I made rethink all the recipes, and I made different gradations, and on the end, finally, what you have seen is the final print that I've made, and this is a double transfer. It was totally worth it because right next week I had a workshop with Barak from Tel Aviv and Jacques from Paris, and it was really great because, yeah, we had a great time. You know what was the highlight? It was when Barak had tears of joy when he made the first carbon print. You know, that for me is like, wow, you know, thank you Barak, thank you Jacques for coming, and thank you everybody who is coming to my workshops. It's really pleasure and an honor for me. Okay, as you know, for every vlog I'm picking up a lucky Patron, and this time is Carl Brady from Texas. You're getting this book. Thank you so much to all the Patrons that they were supporting me. I really appreciate it a lot. My ambitions, what I want to share in this community, in this channel, is grown, and thanks to you. I will keep this vlog short because what is coming up next is more important than what was coming before. It's always like this, isn't it? Thank you so much, and